What's up, guys? Hans here. I have a new project, little DIY project. I'm an artist, so DIY is my way of life. I felt like this tree needed to be revived. I've had it for 5 years, and I don't know if you've noticed, but I like trees. I have one over here, and I have one over here. So, big tree fan, and I want to give this tree the best life possible. And I thought painting it gold. I know it's a bold. Gold is bold. Gold is a bold move, and that is the move that I am going to make. A bold one. I'm gonna give you a little montage video of the painting process and of the after. Well, before this is before it does light up, so I'll show it to you when it's all lit up and stuff. So this is the before, and I will shortly show you the after. If you enjoy the video, go ahead and give the video a like. And if you want to support me, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. It would be incredibly helpful if you subscribed, and I will be showing you more art videos and photography as well, that's what I do, art and photography. Feel free to check out the website as well, hanslingfineart.com. All right, now back to the video, back to the tree. Let's go. So something I'm doing here is I am dabbing it to give it that texture. If you do this, you can see the brush strokes. So I would avoid just doing normal brushes, and I would opt for the dabbing. Dabbing gives it texture and makes it look a little more natural rather than oh, look at the brush strokes on that gold tree. So it's going to give you a little more of a natural look. Yes, we're painting a tree gold. I mean, I know that's not natural, but the idea is to make it look as natural as possible to give you that, that illusion that this majestic gold tree is the way it is. That's all I got for you. right, guys. So the tree is pretty much done. I gave it some touch ups. I have to give it a lot of love so it gets that solid gold feel. And I gotta say, I am loving it from that white color and whatever, I don't know, texture they were trying to give it when they created that tree. It just wasn't happening for me. So anyway, tree is done, and now I'm gonna give you a little montage of painting this stand for the tree all black. I think black with the white wall behind it and the gold tree on top of it is gonna be the right contrast and the right colors popping, bouncing off of one another. All right, here we go.